Now, the 3-5 favorite Reggae Gone Grammy landed the feature Flossie McNeil Memorial Cup, a restricted allowance contest for fillies and mares over 6 furlongs at Caymanas Park on Saturday. Denise Walters was there and filed this report.
The expected duel between Reggae Gone Grammy and Outrageous did not materialize, as once Dane Dawkins pointed Reggae Gone Grammy to the front, the favorite obliged comfortably, despite coming off a 4-month layup.
Then Riot Worthley and the Grey envisaged at the back. 3/8 of a mile to run. They're well in the turn for home. Mamacita is on the rail. Reggae Gone Grammy, though, leads them. Outrageous now beginning to come with a run on the outside. Mamacita cuts the corner. In behind them, that's Olivis Outrageous. Coco Chanel is wide in behind in the yellow cap, but down the stretch, and it's a Reggae Gone Grammy boogieing along on that lead. Mamacita over against the rail. Olivis Outrageous now begins to progress inside the final furlong. It's a Reggae Gone Grammy from Olivis Outrageous. Outrageous in the red sleeves is back in third spot, but it's a Reggae Gone Grammy and Dane Dawkins. They'll win the Flossie McNeil Memorial Cup by 2 lengths over Olivis Outrageous. Outrageous is next, then Mamacita.
The 3-year-old Bay filly won by 1.5 lengths in 1 minute 13 and 3/5. And the trainer Fitzgerald Williams has said she has had several ailments but has come out of this looking good.
Prepare welcome to race. I expect a very good run, and she do that.
What are your thoughts on the time?
Yeah, she run 1:14 like 7 months ago, and if she improve good, to give me 1:13.
Racing continues next Friday. I am Denise Walters reporting from Caymanas Park for TVJ Sports.